Hello world, welcome back to the Intro to Python series. In this video, we will be covering logical operators in Python 3. Logical operators manipulate and/or evaluate the truth value, otherwise known as the Boolean value, of two operands. Python 3 has three logical operators, and, or, and not. The and operator entails that if both operands are true, then the condition returns true. If either or both operands are false, then the condition returns false. Let's assign A to true, B to false, C to true, and D to false. Now let's compare A to B, A to C, and B to D using the AND operator. As we can see by the output, comparing something true to something that is false returns false. Comparing something true to something else that is also true returns true. And comparing something false to something else that is also false returns false, respectively. This demonstrates the possible outcomes of performing a logical AND on operands that evaluate to different truth values. Let's move on to the OR operator, which entails that if either or both operands are not 0 or true, then the condition returns true. The condition only returns false if both operands are false or 0. In programming logic, the number 1 represents true and the number 0 represents false. However, for the OR operator, as was stated earlier, any number that is not 0 can represent true. Now let's compare A to B, A to C, and B to D again, but this time with the OR operator. As shown, comparing something true to something false returns true. Comparing something true to something else that is also true returns true. And comparing something false to something else that is also false returns false, respectively. Let's go on to the NOT operator. The NOT operator reverses the logical state of whatever logical expression, variable, or value resides within its scope. Let's compare A to B using the OR operator. But this time, let's surround the conditional with the NOT operator. Notice that our return value is false rather than true. Why is that though? We got false back because not A or B is the same thing as saying not A and not B. Not A evaluates to false, not B evaluates to true, and the OR operator becomes an AND operator. Thus, if we perform a logical AND between a false operand and a true operand, we should get a truth value of false, since both operands need to be true in order for the condition to be true when dealing with the AND operator. So let's see if this holds true. As we can see, it returned false, which is the same as when we had the conditional simplified using the NOT operator before we expanded it out. This thoroughly demonstrates the logic behind how a NOT operator works when used on a conditional to reverse the logical states of the operator and its operands. And we're done scripting for this video. If you enjoyed the content discussed in this video, please drop a like and subscribe to show your support and help the YouTube algorithm to better interpret the channel. Stay tuned for more videos, and please provide any feedback, good or bad, we don't discriminate, in the comment section down below. Have a nice one.